Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Noor Diary Frames. In episode 1, we learned the first 4 Arabic letters: Alif, Ba, Ta, and Tha. Before we learn new letters, let's discover why some Arabic sounds are different. In this lesson, we'll learn what light letters are, what heavy letters are, and why they are important in Quran recitation. When listening to Quran recitation, have you noticed that some Arabic letters sound soft, while others sound deep and powerful? Today you'll learn the difference between light and heavy letters. Light letters are pronounced softly and naturally. The tongue remains relaxed and the sound is produced without heaviness. Examples of light letters include Ba, Ta, as we learned in previous episode. Heavy letters are pronounced with a fuller and deeper sound. The back of the tongue rises slightly, giving the letter strength and depth. Example, Khaa, which we will discuss in this episode and also in the next more clearly. Let's meet Ha. It is pronounced softly from the throat. Ha is a light letter. Meet Khaa. It comes from a similar place in the throat, but the sound is stronger and deeper. Khaa is a heavy letter. Ha, Khaa. Can you hear the difference? Now, why this matters. Many Arabic letters may look similar or come from the same area of the mouth or throat. Learning their sound quality helps us read Arabic and Quran more accurately. Good pronunciation equals better reading. Now that you know the difference between lighter and deeper sounds, in the next episode we'll learn these 4 new Arabic letters: Jeem, Ha, Khaa, Dhaal. Subscribe for more Arabic lessons. Next episode coming soon. Bye bye.